professional, right? So I am going to be doing makeup with the professional one and only Amna Fahad Hashmi. Oops, okay, I'll just do it like this for timing. Amna, I have sent you a request. And here we go. So we are waiting for Amna to join in and to
Good, very well. Can you see me?
Amna, yeah, I can see you pretty well, and I like your phone. Is it iPhone 11? Mm-hmm.
Moment, I think the connection is a little weak, so 1 second. It's connecting. Yeah. Yes. So
Can you
let's
see
do
me?
this. Yes, I can see
Yes,
you now.
let's do this. Amna, मैं बता रही थी that आज हम मेकअप करने वाले because मुझे बहुत मेकअप की डिमांड आई है कि आप मेकअप करें, but मुझे इतना कोई खास मेकअप आता नहीं है. And you are really professional, so we thought कि we'll come up with you. So Amna, सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि how
Yes.
long have you been doing this for? I mean,
So
अभी
basically,
मेकअप की
I started doing
प्रोफेशन
makeup.
में कब से?
Yeah. So basically, I was in A levels when I actually developed an interest for makeup. And then obviously I was completing my studies and everything. So then it went on for a while. Meanwhile, I would always be interested. My sister, she has a salon, Mavish Hassan, to uske saath main constantly uske saath I would be, helping her out and everything. And then
Absolutely.
I did my course in, I think 4 years back. And then from Dubai. From Dubai. Since then,
Nice.
I've just been practicing, been doing makeup.
I know all of this, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे ये सारी information अभी नहीं पता चल रही है.
I know.
अच्छा,
Because,
okay.
so,
हाँ,
but
बोलो.
basically, तब से I've just been doing it, and Alhamdulillah, it's been going great. चल रहा है तब से makeup and hair also. I also do hair
Amazing.
consultation, but mostly makeup.
Mostly makeup. Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So I think so without wasting time, because मेरे मुंह पे कुछ भी नहीं है and you're looking so nice. So I think so हम कुछ थोपना शुरू कर देते.
नहीं, you don't need a lot of makeup, Momal. That's the good part.
Like seriously,
Trust
guys,
me,
मैंने बिल्कुल आन्ना को पैसे नहीं दिए थे ये बोलने के लिए. I swear.
No, but actually.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So I have my things ready over here. जो तुमने मुझे कहा था मैंने ready कर लिया है. So
Yes,
you go ahead, you take over this, and you have to tell me.
Okay. अच्छा, so basically हम कर रहे हैं एक everyday में basic look, right? जो whatever you want to start off your day with, या आप सुबह उठे जो भी काम पे जो लोग जाते हैं, like for you, if you are stepping out with whatever your routine you have, shoots and everything, so you want to have a basic look. So we'll be sticking to that. Nothing too heavy, nothing too light, of course, because जब हम कहते हैं कि हम light basic makeup कर रहे हैं, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि बिल्कुल ही कुछ नहीं होता. You know, the whole point is कि it should be subtle. So first thing, हम हमेशा अपनी skin type को देखते हैं. That do you have like do you have oily skin? Do you have dry skin? So Momal, what do you have? Do you have oily or dry?
I have dry skin.
You have very dry skin.
इसीलिए मैंने फिर अपना moisturizing करके मैं बैठी हुई हूँ because that's like really
important. No, that's amazing. Because हमेशा moisturizer भी at least आप 5 minutes तक you let it sink in your skin. So first step is moisturizing, obviously. Secondly, then you move on to primer. What primer do you have around you?
I have this Smashbox.
Okay, Smashbox. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, that's in fact really good. It's one of the best. Yeah. I also have this other one, Too Faced Hangover Primer. इसका ये भी आता है और एक और है. Primer again मैं सिर्फ बता दूं कि उसके लिए pores के लिए होता है. To basically close in लोगों के मेरे बहुत open pores हैं. I generally don't have very smooth skin, like T zones जिनके बहुत ज़्यादा open होते हैं nose की जगह यहाँ पे. So we use primer for that. So let's start. Why don't you just take some out on your hand here? The Smashbox one, yeah.
So just tell me how much.
Just a little bit. Just like squeeze it out. Bahut thoda sa,
This much?
Literally, that's it. Yeah. And now you're going to take your ring finger. This is the ring finger. We always use the ring finger to apply, right? So we go here, जहाँ पे pores ज़्यादा ये जो होते हैं, yeah, here. Go on your nose and your T-zone. Yes, this and your T-zone.
Okay.
Right.
Wow, I'll be learning a lot of techniques too. I'm super excited.
So basically ये पूरा किया, T-zone किया, and then
अच्छा पूरे फेस में नहीं लगाते, मैं तो full यूं करके क्रीम की तरह like
No, I tell you why, because देखो कभी कभार कुछ प्राइमर्स होते हैं जिनके अंदर ऑलरेडी कुछ फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर टाइप होता है. We don't use that, and I'm sure that is like वो एक different टाइप के लिए आता है. But जो basic primer like the one that you have right now, the Smashbox one, so we use that कि बस जो आपके जो pores, open pores है, वो एक तरह से conceal, एक cover, एक layer बन जाए उनके ऊपर.
Okay, okay, fine.
So it's basically for that. Then the next step, we move on to, since we have moisturized our face, we put the primer on, let's move on to, okay, so what I generally do is I always put foundation first and then I conceal. Okay? But as far as your skin is concerned, I know you will say कि मेरे बहुत dark circles है, but मुझे नहीं लगता कि इनको इतनी ज़्यादा coverage की ज़रूरत है. But I usually...
Anda, trust me.
No, I'll tell you another...
me. I usually ये लाइट भी कुछ जरा थोड़ी सी अजीब सी हुई है, मेरी पीछे वाली लाइट्स नहीं चल रही है, so I mean trust me मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा dark circles है.
Dark circles, that's fine, but see you don't have like those black ones. Like people generally जिनकी बहुत pigmented होती है, तो उनके लिए हम orange वाली stick use करते हैं. So for you, I think we can totally skip that step. We don't need to put like.
But I do because you know for my shoots and stuff, so there are like you know different makeup artists सबका अपना style होता है. So a lot of people do want me to keep I mean like they put orange. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं अपना सारा makeup खुद लेती हूँ, right? Because I don't want to use anyone's makeup. Not just brushes but also the makeup, the products. So I do have this orange stick. If you want, we can go with this step as well.
Yeah, of course. If you have it, then why not go for it? अच्छा, orange stick का ये है थोड़ा सा. We'll just the best thing to do is you first rub your fingers like this, ताकि थोड़ा एक warm हो जाए. And then if you want to, I would generally, you know, वो थोड़ी क्योंकि ये थोड़ी सी होती भी. Even I have this one, right? So ये थोड़ा सा वो stiff भी होती है और थोड़ी सी thick होती है. We can either use a brush. If you don't want to use a brush, again. We go with our finger and we take it out and we just literally dab. Again, use your ring finger. Okay. Yeah. Because under eyes आपकी वैसी बहुत sensitive होती है, so you don't want to be too harsh.
Okay, fine.
Another very important
Amna, I also wanted to ask you because you अभी तुमने कहा कि brush use करो. So I've always gotten these brushes, but मुझसे कभी brush use किया नहीं जाता. Like, what is the reason behind this?
But I'll tell you what. देखो हर किसी का, it's about what you are comfortable with. Most people use beauty blenders. Sponges, right? Some people use their hand. You know, some people use. Like with me, generally, I feel like I'm more comfortable with using brushes.
The brush.
Because and plus, I generally, even from like, if you're so close to another person, you're touching someone's face, so you should always be very careful. And you know, like hygienic point of view, you should not try to avoid touching the skin so much.
True. Oh, and I'm loving the light in your room. I mean, like ये light मेरे कमरे में भी लगवा दोगी, please. ये लगे मुझे full professional room, you know, where you can actually. So once this quarantine is over, I'm coming over.
100%. I've literally set up my area because this quarantine में literally मैं सिवाय videos और pictures लेने के और
which is amazing, and I'm loving all your videos.
Thanks. But so basically, when we go back to brushes, Momal, this is a brush that you can use for concealing, like under eye का ये यहाँ पे use करने के लिए. Heart finger use करनी है, that's also fine. So you know, just apply.
But should be always your ring finger, right?
Ring finger, because it's if you notice ये सबसे light hit होती है. Like इसकी जो
Right.
strength होती है, it's the lightest, right? So when you're putting it on your eye, when you're dabbing,
Makes
it's
sense.
just like generally very light. Another thing, always apply concealer here because this is the darkest area of your eye. So, and you often
Okay.
tend to forget about it.
True that, and I did, I
Right.
guess. So, 1 minute.
Yeah,
Okay. Perfect.
that's perfect.
Done.
So now, amazing. Now let's move on to the foundation. So
Concealer नहीं करना?
No, so मैं concealer उसके बाद लगाती हूँ. पहले foundation
अच्छा,
से
okay.
लेकर के
ठीक
and
है.
then उसके बाद.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's no hard and fast rule. You can have it either way, but I
Right.
generally prefer कि पूरी face का वो हो जाए okay. अच्छा, another
fine.
thing, sometimes people want concealer. Say, for example, if you would want to put it a little here, you know,
Okay.
यहाँ पे हल्का सा, अगर जहाँ पे भी pigmentation ज़्यादा feel हो रही है, like you know, dark
Okay.
spots and everything.
हाँ. Oh yeah, I have danas as well. If you can see.
Yeah, so but I हर किसी का breakout हो रहा है, मेरा तो it's like yeah. So just literally use a little bit of it and just leave it on your skin. बस
Guys, I'm so sorry आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा सही नहीं नजर आ रहा होगा because मेरे पास ऐसी ही लाइट है घर में. हम हार्डली घर में होते हैं, so we do our makeup. Actually मैं मेकअप हमेशा मैंने अपने ना शूट पे जाने से पहले घर पे अपना मेकअप शुरू कर दिया because I feel stressful जब सेट पे जाओ and there's so many people and सबका मेकअप हो रहा होता है. So you I think so आपका टाइम भी बचता है.
हाँ नहीं, of course, and plus you generally, if you carry yourself a certain way, then you're more comfortable with the look that
like
you
that
want.
as well. True.
Yeah.
True. Just like so that.
Yeah.
Huh.
Perfect.
Okay, so my next step is foundation.
Okay, foundation. What foundation do you have?
Double wear.
Okay, amazing. Even I have, but I have the this one. I have Stay in Place ये वाला. But Estee Lauder is amazing.
Mine is
What shade
2W1 Dawn. But I mix it up with MAC NC35.
That's fine. हाँ सही है. But
क्योंकि मुझे ना लगता है कि जो हम जितने भी ये फाउंडेशंस बाहर से लेते हैं वो ऑफ कोर्स एशियन स्किन के होते नहीं है, राइट? तो कॉम्बिनेशन ही मेरे हमेशा काम आती है because
of course, in fact that is amazing. हमेशा जो combination होती है ना foundations की, I always mix 2-3 foundations and then I apply it.
Exactly.
वो ये होता है कि हर किसी की skin tone, हमारी कोई generally Asian skin is a little pigmented, not necessarily बहुत ज़्यादा हो, but usually वो आपका हर जगह color different आता है. तो जरूरी नहीं जो आपका इस area पे color आ रहा है वो यहाँ पे भी वही completely वो वाला है, right? So it's always best to mix. However, I would like to point out कि basically SPF नहीं लेना चाहिए. कभी-कभार होते हैं ना foundations.
Yeah, it says SPF 10.
So, I mean, I would suggest कि SPF generally वो थोड़ा सा grayish tone दे देती है if you're wearing it at night especially. Because वो उसमें होता है SPF अलग से use करो. That is, I definitely recommend you should 100% use SPF separately. But if you are using it in your foundation, then that's not a good idea because it just leaves a gray undertone. So you know, some of pictures maybe if you feel कि oh I look a little gray and हल्का सा वो आता है. So. Even I was struggling setting my camera.
No, I mean like we don't get to do this, so we don't know where to keep the camera. Now this is fine. Yeah.
Perfect. In fact, now I think the lighting is also better. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. So
you can take them. Yeah, go for it. Because I'll tell you what, Estee Lauder, I love this foundation. I think it's the best because
which one is yours?
Mine is the shade 3W1 Tawny double wear.
Okay, fine. Yeah, this is also double wear.
Yeah. So the thing is, because we're going for an everyday makeup look, I feel like Estee Lauder ki foundation, it's very light. It feels light on your skin. It's not too heavy.
Yeah.
Like you know, वो बहुत thick उसका texture नहीं है, and it's light and it stays on for longer. Definitely, it definitely stays on for longer. So why don't you just pump it out on your hand?
Okay, done.
I'll also just take some out on my hands.
Yeah, so that you can tell me how
Yeah,
to apply. So
right.
Amna, should I also take जिस तरह मैं करती हूँ मैं उस तरह mix करूँ because that's
Mix it, go for it. Yeah.
okay.
Acha, MAC ka, I don't know what shade you have. Is it a
NC
little darker?
35, it's darker. Yeah.
NC35. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि ये जो Estee Lauder का है double wear, which is 2W1 Dawn, is much lighter than NC35. Mix होके वो मेरा color बन जाता है.
Yeah, that's okay.
So
That's absolutely fine. But basically, agar once you mix them, what do you use to apply? Do you use a brush or do you use like a
yeah, मैं तो
blender?
सब कुछ हाथ से करती हूँ, लेकिन I do have a blender
No,
for
go for it.
today.
Yeah, go for it. That's fine. I'm usually more comfortable with a brush. So
A brush.
ये foundation brushes होते हैं real technique के. They're supposed to be really good, real technique.
Okay.
Come
Oh,
as that.
lovely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amna,
So
ये सारी information हमारे page पे है ना? Because I mean, I'm
yeah,
sure
yeah.
that a lot of people would want to know the details
Yeah.
and like
Right. No,
get all
of
this
course.
information, right?
No, I have a few videos and I have a few makeup tutorials and everything. So उसमें I keep
Amazing.
mentioning के किस
So
तरह
guys,
से
please follow. It's Amo. Amo,
and
please
the
बताना
city.
क्या है?
Amo in the city.
Amo in the city. Please follow. We will be posting this stuff as well. And for
Yeah.
all the information, you guys need to follow her because ये वीडियो तो खत्म हो जाएगी. मेरे पास कोई
Yeah.
information नहीं होगी. मुझसे ना पूछना फिर बाद में messages करके. Go to Amo in the city. Okay. Anyways, अब मैंने ये कर लिया mix. So I'll apply. Is there any
Yeah.
way, or should I just like apply it
No,
and then
that's
just
okay.
blend
You
it?
can just पहले पूरा cover it with your finger जहाँ पे भी you want, but make sure it's even everywhere.
Okay. Da 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 da. And also the neck, right?
Of course, a lot of people tend to forget the neck and they think कि वो neck इतनी important नहीं होती, but neck is
हाँ.
सबसे ज़्यादा वो होता है. Because often we feel like yeah, say is just the face, but neck I feel like and sometimes you should always apply more.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Acha ji. So this is done. And should I start blending now?
Yeah. Just start blending.
मुझे आता नहीं
अच्छा.
करना, but I'll try. Because I
No, no.
usually do it with the hand.
So even if you, but let's try the beauty blender because उससे हाँ ज़्यादा वो होता है, सही से sink in होता है skin में. Yeah.
So I'm leaving the dark circle area and मैं वैसे
Yeah.
लगा रही हूँ, right?
No, but why don't you put it on the dark circle areas as well? That's
Oh,
fine.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we want the orange to go away, right?
Oh, yes, of course.
Yeah.
अच्छा
So
आमना,
yeah.
मुझे एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना है. वो ये पूछना है कि मेरी स्किन जो है वो लाइक सीजन वाइज बदलती रहती है. लाइक सो अगर गर्मियां भी जैसे लेटली गर्मियां शुरू हुई हैं, सो द फाउंडेशन ब्रेकआउट शुरू होते हैं और आपका स्किन जो है फाउंडेशन ज्यादा खा रहा होता है. सो लाइक कुछ घंटे बाद डल होना शुरू होती है स्किन.
So I feel like obviously our skin पूरे throughout the seasons it keeps changing. Winters में some कुछ लोगों की बहुत ज्यादा dry हो जाती है. Some people feel कि उनकी skin और अच्छी हो जाती है. In summers especially, I feel like this even I'm getting the worst breakout right now in random places.
Yes. Why?
It's just the weather, I guess, and it's just the stress of sitting at home.
The weather and the stress of sitting at home.
And the stress of sitting at
घर में
home.
बैठ के तो बेहतर होनी चाहिए स्किन.
नहीं, क्योंकि हम इतने stressed हैं और हम इतनी oily चीजें खा. At least I'm talking about myself. कि we're having such oily
everybody is
food.
eating. Yes.
Literally.
We all are eating oily stuff.
And the main thing is about what you eat. So whatever you're eating, literally it just shows. Be it your hair or even your face or skin, it just shows. So obviously, other than keeping yourself hydrated, breakout ka there's not much that can be done. But the whole point is that obviously you should definitely get into a skin routine, especially in the summers. Like raat ko sone se pehle, try properly cleansing your face because that's very important. Whether you wear makeup or not. You know, कुछ लोग होता है कि oh, I'm not wearing makeup and everything, so I don't need to cleanse. You need to cleanse your face in any case. Like
In any
before
case,
sleep.
so basically कि it's not because आजकल मेकअप नहीं लग रहा है इतना,
नहीं.
तो आप
Yeah,
ये
and
नहीं
in
है कि
fact, this is the best time to do it. कि you know, आप घर पे बैठकर आप अपना और वो
हाँ
clean करें सही से, apply toners. And but again, you should be very careful because sometimes कुछ ऐसे products होते हैं जो आपको acne दे देते हैं. So you know, sometimes, yeah,
exactly. Now do you see this? अब मैंने
yes,
पूरा लगा लिया. Is it well
yes.
blended?
Very well blended. Yes, perfect.
Okay,
In fact, now do you
amazing.
see that this? I feel Estee Lauder gives a subtle glow.
Yes,
वो it's
yes.
not too matte.
It's not too matte. Yes,
Yeah.
because MAC मुझे लगता है कि मैट बहुत मैक जो है वो
Yeah.
बहुत मैट होता है. अच्छा guys,
Yeah.
because आमना भी यहाँ हमारे साथ है and I'm asking a lot of questions. If you guys have any questions, so this is the time आप पूछ सकते हैं. So साथ साथ मेकअप भी चल रहा है और आप अपने questions भी पूछ सकते हैं. So go ahead and ask anything you want about skin, makeup. Amna is there to answer. Right, Amna?
Yes. Yes, definitely. Ask anything you guys want. Makeup related, skin related. Go for it.
Skin related. Yeah. Acha, Amna. So now what?
Okay, now then the second, अब आएगा concealer. Because हम पहले we're prepping our skin, right? So let's move on to a concealer. What concealer do you usually use?
So I have NARS.
Okay.
Medium dark biscuit.
Okay, that's amazing. Yeah. So let's try that. I would also show you the ones which are supposed to be like really good. Next time, go for this Tarte Shape Tape. It's
Okay,
really good.
fine.
Or Tarte. I mean, I'm a big fan of Tarte concealers. So, and this is another one. This is a Tarte Creaseless Concealer.
Oh, nice.
So this is supposed to be really good. And इससे ये होता है कि इसका texture ज़्यादा thick नहीं है. It doesn't crease up under your eyes because that's also a problem, right? Like लोगों की जो lines होती हैं वो
Lines
होती हैं.
बन जाती है. मुझे लगता है
Yeah.
कि देखो, I also have this MAC का 24-hour concealer. I don't know
Okay.
if
Yeah.
right, but
Right.
मुझे लगता है कि इससे ज़्यादा conceal होता है और ये थोड़ा सा darker shade ले लिया है मैंने. And I also have this Huda का.
Yeah. Huda concealer, I'll tell you what, I generally think it's good, but ये थोड़ा सा जैसे for example, even maybe for you, if you're going in front of camera, Huda की pigments are really strong, right? जैसे इनकी जो foundation भी होती है वो बहुत cake, मतलब not cakey, but it's really thick, right? So we would, since we're doing like an everyday makeup look, so we would not go for Huda stuff.
Okay, ठीक है.
Right?
Okay, so should I start concealing? And Amna, I think so तुम्हारे लिए बहुत सारे कुछ questions आ चुके हैं. Moisturizing, normal, कौन सा use करें? So how about you just answer them and I'll just conceal my dark circles.
Definitely. Okay, I'm just gonna start here. I have oily skin for glow and shiny skin. The best whitening cream.
Oh, so this is what I have to do first.
Yeah.
I remember.
So basically, I'll first talk about the concealer because a lot of people are asking me about that. So always, obviously, concealer, it's supposed to be a shade lighter than your foundation because that's the whole point. You don't want your eyes to look darker. थोड़ा light होना चाहिए, इतना भी light नहीं होना चाहिए. ये जो मैं use करती हूँ, ये shade medium honey. It's basically 35H. It's medium honey. It's perfect. It goes with most of the skin tones. And obviously, if you have a little lighter tone, if you're a little fairer, then go for something lighter than this. And okay, we'll get to the lips in the end. I'll answer that question. It's a very good question. People are asking about dark lips, so I'll get to that later. So we have a question. So basically, a primer I have lately been using. Too Faced Hangover primer. It's really good because it has a bit of coconut water in it. Coconut water, generally, it's supposed to be really good for your skin because it hydrates. Like even for you, Momo, like you know how you mentioned that you have dry skin. So I think coconut is just generally like It's very hydrating.
Okay, fine.
So,
Okay,
guys,
fine.
definitely you should try this. And so, are you done with the concealer?
Yes, I'm done.
Yeah.
I'll just show it to
ठीक
you.
है.
So,
How do you feel that because we apply after the foundation, एक वो thick थोड़ी coverage होती है under eyes पे?
and I think so will stay longer than it usually does. Yeah.
It stays longer and it literally बस पूरा एक वो conceal properly उसको lock कर देता है foundation को. So that's good. Okay, now the next step we'll move on to so we will basically halka sa, because we don't want our skin to get oily, we're gonna conceal and lock the foundation with any powder that you use. So whatever powder you would want to Momal, एक और चीज I want to mention, that let's not forget the lids. It's very important to conceal the lids as well.
Yes, I did that. मैंने किया lids. Yeah. I did.
Generally, yeah.
I use Laura, so is it okay?
You have, yes, that's amazing. It's one of the best, definitely, Laura Mercier. So we're going to start with that. I generally
Laura
use,
Mercier,
again,
and I also do have a brush. Morphe ka brush.
Amazing. So take tons of it. I go all out with my powder. So take tons of it and just
tons of it, guys. Tons. All right. So I should start with my dark circles and entire face. हमने पूरे face पे लगाना है.
Yeah, basically अपनी जो under eye इस पे ज़्यादा इसको just place it here. Take a bit of it and just place it. Yeah, and just leave it. Don't try to वो end में हम करेंगे. Just literally pick the powder up and just place it on your under eyes, because when we get to the eyes, we don't want the eyeshadow to fall on your lower eyes.
Okay. अच्छा इसलिए करते हैं. Okay, now I get it.
Yeah.
का क्या करूं?
So basically वो लगा के छोड़ ही देते, क्योंकि obviously अच्छा है जितना sink in हो. बस बाकी पे हल्का वो जो the basically जो बचा हुआ है, use the same powder and just brush it all over your face, your chin, T-zones, wherever you feel.
Okay. And the neck as well, right?
Yeah, of course, definitely the neck, everything. And I would suggest take another layer of the powder and just leave it on your under eyes again. It doesn't matter if there's more, it will just sink in. Because वैसे generally जब oily skin होती है, and when weather भी ऐसा है, so generally it just, your skin literally drinks up the whole thing.
Got it. Done.
Okay, amazing. Now let's move on to the eyes.
Okay.
So since we're sticking to a basic look, I would say अब हर किसी का another very important thing, since we're going for like a nude and like a brown eyes, so we just want to keep it, we just want to make sure कि आपकी जो eye है उसी से match करे, like आपकी skin से match करे basically. Right? आपकी जो tone है, whatever you have, हर किसी का nude shade different आता है. Maybe on me a brown would come out differently, but maybe on you it will come out differently, right? So pick whatever, if you want to go for like a pink shade, whatever eye palette you use. So I'll just suggest one thing. I can't seem to find it. So this palette that I have, Morphe, and it has 3 amazing shades. So for my eyes,
oh wow,
use this one. Right? Because it's not too peach, it's not too brown, it's somewhere in the middle. So if you have some shade like that.
Okay. I do have these.
Yeah.
Or anyone if you say.
So basically the first step that we're doing for the eyes, we just want to make a base. So इसके ऊपर वाला जो
So
है,
should I
I
make
think,
this one?
yeah, go for this one. Wait, it's your video a little stuck.
Sorry, this one or this one?
The third one. Suggest the third one.
This one. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, so when you're applying it, because this is just literally the base of the eyes that we're going to be working on.
You also have to
so
show
just
me,
go all,
okay, you know how you
literally
do
cover
it.
your eyes. Yeah. Yeah. So basically we go all the way here and we literally start from the center and just cover your eye completely. So I'll just also apply it with you. Just go.
Yes.
And it doesn't matter if it gets a little messy, because on top of it we'll apply more eyeshadows. So generally, and obviously we have to blend. So blending में वो वैसे ही नीचे वाला जो होता है, it becomes neater. So just
वो
apply
blend हो
all
जाता
of
है.
it on your eyelid. Yeah.
Like that?
Don't forget, like generally, yeah, go for it. And generally people forget the inner corner. So, you know, inner corner is also very important. We forget to fill that in. So basically, just how, you know, my skin ke liye we have like a primer and all that process of setting our skin up. It's for the eyes as well. That for the eyes we're setting a base.
Right. एक second. कुछ काला काला आ गया मेरे हाथ में. So
Yeah.
1 minute. अच्छा, इस तरह की कोई मिस्टेक हो जाए मुझे ना थोड़ा सा मेरे हाथ में वो ब्लैक पाउडर लग गया, ब्लैक आई, तो उसको उतारने में मुझे थोड़ी सी मुश्किल हो रही है. Let me get a
Always keep makeup wipes. Yeah, go for it.
yes.
Yeah. Get a wipe and always just keep wiping your hands with that. Because after my foundation, I think I just put it all over my shirt.
We tend to do all of these things ना, पता नहीं चलता, जल्दी जल्दी में कर रहे होते हैं कभी.
Yeah, and it's exactly. And वो थोड़ा सा messy हो जाता है, but it's okay. I mean,
Yeah, exactly. हम इतने भी perfect नहीं हो सकते.
moment your video is a little stuck, so I can't see you.
Can you see me now? And can you see my eyes?
Yeah, now I can see you. Yes, perfect.
Is it fine?
Okay, now should we move on to the next? Yes, perfect. Please? Yeah, amazing. So now the next step, I would say that take a brush like this, which is a little pointed from the top. Ye wala, it's a Sigma brush. It's E30 generally for people we want to know, but generally, like, you know, something like that, or you can also go for whatever a blending brush. Again, nothing too thick.
Is this fine?
Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, it's okay. This is fine. We can go with this, and we have to up now a darker shade. जो अभी जो हमने apply किया उससे darker. So I would go for something, because since I applied this on my lids, I would go for something darker like this.
So I'll go with this.
So let's pick a brown, like a brown shade. Maybe this one next to the purple. Is it shimmery?
It is shimmery. But I have this brown as well. Without
Do you
shimmery.
have? Yeah. Let's go for something matte. Yeah.
Okay. I'll go with this brush because वो काला है. Okay, I got the brown, and where are we putting this?
So basically we use it, and now the whole point is कि हमारी जो eye socket है, we want to define that. So once you define your eye socket, so basically hold your brush like this, and literally just feel your eye socket. Where do you feel your eye closing? You don't want to go a little too up, but just here. जहाँ पे feel हो रही है, जहाँ पे वो depth feel हो रही है, we just apply the darker shade and make like a line. Because again, this is to
जिसको हम बाद
define
में
your...
blend करेंगे ना?
Yeah, right. And this is just to define your eye socket. So because होता ही है कि sometimes when we're applying makeup, we forget that, you know, we sometimes tend to go a little up above the crease, or sometimes we just go all out. So this just in a way also helps you to stay within your eyelid.
Eyelid. And how should
Because if
we
you
do
look
this? I mean,
straight,
like blend?
no, but just make it a little darker, and if you look straight at yourself in the mirror, you'll be able to see कि वो eye की पूरी shape एक define हो गई है.
बिल्कुल हो गई है.
Yeah, so now then with the same brush, I generally would use the same brush, and I would just blend it out. Just keep blending it out, but don't blend it too much that you don't want it to disappear. That's okay. See, makeup कभी कभी बाहर चला जाता है. I'll also tell you how to just keep... Okay, I can't hear you.
I'm doing makeup because I have to do this. I'm doing it with Amna Khala so that, you know, like people can learn. And Ibrahim has like 20 million questions. Where are you going? I was like, where will I go? Quarantine me.
Well, your video is a little
This
stuck,
is done.
so I don't know. Okay, so basically now again we're just blending it out, and yeah, yes, now I can see. So just blend it again, take it from inside, and just जो बाहर भी चला गया थोड़ा सा, that's okay. We take a little thicker brush, something like this, and we just lift it up like this and take it in.
Okay.
Lift it up and take it in, because you also want to lift your eye shape. You don't want your eyes to look droopy.
Fine.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now the third step that we're gonna do is basically we can go, because we want to keep it, we want eyelids pop, so we can go for like a little bit of gold, a shimmery gold, something like maybe something like this, you know, thoda sa shimmer have.
Okay, I do have. I think so. I'll go with
whatever
this.
tone of gold that you feel like is. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. This one is fine. Yeah.
Okay.
And we just okay. And I would generally definitely apply it with some brush, because we're just gonna use it here, right? And always wet your brush a little, make a little damp, कि हल्का सा.
Now I can't hear
बिल्कुल
you.
भी dry नहीं हो.
Acha.
Can you see me?
Fine. Yeah, I can see you now and I can hear you now. We're done with this. So you need a little
So
bit
just,
water and then ready?
yeah, just, and take the gold, yeah, and just apply it here in the center of your eye, just on the lid, and then blend it, push it in and out.
Am I doing it right way?
And then on the other eye, push it. This is, yeah, just place it here, yeah. Place it in the center and push it out, and just a little bit. This is just to add a little bit of shimmer, because we're keeping it completely matte, so we don't want it to look really dead. You don't want the eyes to look completely, worn out. So we'll just add a bit of shimmer to make the eyes pop. Perfect. Yeah, amazing. And yeah, great. So this is it. And then now we move on to, again, if you still feel like your eyeshadow is the so you can always blend it. Keep blending as much as you can, because then it all merges together and it all settles in. So now then let's move on to the liner, because that is also a very important step, and it's actually the key step to making your eyes either look
People
big
are
or
saying my
small.
video is not clear. Is my video not clear? Blur Momo.
Now it is.
Why did it say blur? Now it is?
Now it is.
Guys, now can you see me? Please reply and let me know if you can see me properly, because if you can't see me properly, then there's no point. So, Momal, अपने kids को कौन से Okay, so thumbs up आ गया है. Pic blur आ रही है. Pic blur आ रही है. So,
if you keep it like
should
this,
I just choose another phone?
You can try. Go for it. Yeah.
Yes, it is. Momal, your video is very blur. Looking great, girls. Guys, please tell me if you can. Umair, hi, Umair. Umair Farooqi is here. Umair, can you see us clear? उसी से पूछ लेते. Umair. Hey. Guys, can you please tell us so that we can continue? Video is still blur. Achha. This is video still blur. Somebody saying thumbs up. Yes. Please clear kare. Okay, so I'm going to use another phone. Guys, so don't go anywhere, and I'll be right back. Okay, blur aa rahi hai, so let me just try and use this another phone.
Okay.
I'm just going to take you, just don't go anywhere. Stay on Insta.
Okay. All right. Okay.
जी बेटा. Okay guys, I'm back and I think so this should be better. अगर आप मुझे बताएं कि blur हो रही है या it's fine. Let me quickly take Amna. जल्दी से मैं आपको बताती चलूं, because we're doing makeup with this really great artist, Amna and Amo in this city. So much better?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So मैं जल्दी से अपने सारे fans को बता दूं हम कर क्या रहे थे. We've done the foundation, we've done eyes, and we've concealed it. And now Amna is going to tell me what is the second step after my eyes. I should have okay?
Yeah. So yes, after the eyes, let's move on to the liner, because then we can play around.
Liner jo hai na. This I hate this part. I hate this part.
I know, you have to be you really have to breathe in, breathe out when you're applying your liner, because you can either go wrong or it can be completely fine.
Exactly. Ibrahim, can you do me a favor? Can you bring me a wipe? Actually, can you bring me wipes from your room? Yes, the white packet, wipes ka packet. Thank you. Okay, so any like liner would work.
So which one do you use? Okay, yeah, this is fine. You can use a marker. Yeah, I generally use. Wait, I'll just show you. Where did it go?
I also do have a pencil, but I mean, like, I'm not a huge pencil fan.
Yeah, pencil I would usually apply on my under eye कि अगर उसको थोड़ा smudge करना हो or
Yeah.
something. So what I usually recommend is that I use a cake liner, which again is here.
Wow. It's empty. Can you get me another one? Yes, Amna. What were you saying?
Yeah. So I was saying I use a cake liner and I
Okay,
use
fine.
a liner brush. So this
Okay,
liner
fine.
brush is basically literally the thinnest one that you can get. You should
Okay,
always
fine.
try using the thinnest
The-
form. Yeah, you can start with this. You can use this and
Another one.
Yes.
And I also have this.
okay, so whichever one you're comfortable with. It's basically that pencil, it's that
Are we
marker,
going to
right?
merge it? Are we going to merge it in the end, or are we making like
So
some?
I think first of all we'll go for like a mini wing because we won't be smudging it.
Oh my
So it's not going to
God.
be a smudge liner thing, but on the under eye then we can smudge it because that's the look we're going for. So
ठीक है.
let's just use the marker that you have.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wing shing मुझे बनाना नहीं आता, but I'm going to try with Amna today.
No,
So,
it's really not that difficult, and we're not going for a very dramatic wing. We're going for something very soft
lighter.
and subtle.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
cool. So yeah.
So I would basically I'm using this. I'm more comfortable using a brush. We start with our inner corner, and if you are looking at yourself, so always keep a mirror apne niche. Keep it below your chin, like at this distance, because you want your eyes to be shut. Not exactly, but
Okay. So can you do it again,
down.
please? Can you do it again?
So you're looking down, and we start from the inner corner. We keep brushing it out. Not just one complete stroke, we keep taking it out. And then when you get to the end of your eye, you just let's see. Yeah,
बहुत ही हल्का लग.
that's okay. We can put another. Now, when you get to the corner, Momal, we take it up. We want to keep our brush up a little. So hold your brush like. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do I make another line now?
Yeah. Then you should make it a little dark.
और देखो जिसका मुझे डर था वही हुआ कि मर्ज होना शुरू हो रहा है. I mean, I hate it. I hate it.
Are you talking about नीचे जो आ जाता है? Here. In the outer corner.
नहीं. Can you see like over here? ये.
Yeah. Okay. So the best thing for this is कि that's why I would always recommend कि इस तरह का ना you should always have a brush. Because उस brush से क्या होता है then you can always just blend it out थोड़ा सा उसको और वो कर दो so that it doesn't look like a one big stroke. This is the difficult part actually.
I hate this part.
But once you learn it, trust me, you will have so much fun applying it that you would just want to keep doing it again and again. Like I feel like
So
liner.
our friend Muzna, I think so. Our friend Muzna, guys, मेरी एक दोस्त है Muzna, उसका जो लाइनर लगता है ना, वो परफेक्ट दोनों आंखों का हमेशा. तो पूरा मेकअप आए या ना आए, लाइनर की वो cool है.
I think Muzna is here. I just saw her. Say hi.
Muzna, if you're here, मैं तुम्हारी तारीफ कर रही हूँ. Because you're really good with lining. Okay, so इसी तरह दूसरी आंख पे भी करूँ?
Yeah, go for the other eye. And again, we start from the inner corner. from the inside of the eye, and then we keep brushing it out.
Righto. Sorry guys, मैं शीशे के लिए उधर चली गई हूँ, but let me try it over here as well. Better?
And now, yeah, and when you just open your eye, just lift your brush for the wing like this. That's it. Yeah, there you go.
That's it? Am I done?
You're done, but I want you to so you just have to make it a little more, thoda sa fill it in, because we don't want the eyes to look a little empty. Just fill it in with the same brush.
Yeah, so यहाँ पे जो जगह रह जाती है उसको fill करने के लिए कह रही हो, right?
Yeah, yes.
Right. Okay.
Because everybody apply mascara and all, so then obviously your eyes will feel a little more lit. But other than that, like, we just wanted to not look incomplete.
अच्छा, ये वाली आंख का लाइनर बिल्कुल ठीक लगता है, ये वाली आंख का लाइनर बिल्कुल अजीब लगता है. लाइक ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आती कि इसकी क्या डील है.
See, obviously, if you're applying it yourself, तो वो होता है थोड़ा सा. That's why I always say कि when you're applying your liner, like even if you just have a palette, उसका जो ऊपर, just keep it in front of you and just look down. You know, because if you're keeping it in ऊपर इस तरह से करके, then you turn your chin left and you turn your face like left and right. So the best thing to do is just keep it in front of you and just look down, and that way your eyes will be in the same spot and you will be able to see where you're applying it.
Right. Got it. इतनी information मुझे आज मिल रही है ना. And guys, look, that's how it's done. I think so. Anna, can you see? This is still like perfect.
Yeah. This is your right. Your left eye is perfect, and the right one, I feel like the other one.
So this is my left.
Yes. So the left eye, I feel like वो थोड़ा सा उसका wing जो है वो और inner corner भी थोड़ा सा filled in नहीं है.
Okay, let me try to. अच्छा, ये करते करते कभी कभार आपका आईलाइनर जो होता है मोटा हो जाता है, right? उसका क्या करें?
See, again, since you are using a marker, तभी that's why I was saying when you're applying your liner, you should always lift it. Like when you're applying it, don't just keep a thick stroke. एक किया, lift it. एक किया, lift it. Then, you know, that way you'll be able to build a thin line. And now, moment, it looks perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, now it looks great. So now for the lower lid, before we get to the mascara, let's go for the lower lid with the same dark brown eyeshadow that we used to define the eye socket. We will use that on our under eye. So whatever brush, if you have an angled brush, that would be amazing. Or if you have a thin brush like this, just for the under eye, because we will apply it here. We were not going black, we're going brown. So we apply it here and just take it up.
Got it. No.
I love how Ibrahim is playing in the back.
Yeah. And means like his stories are going on, like full on. Ibrahim, what are you playing? Lots of magic, and I'm playing with my toys. Guys, that's Ibrahim. And that's what he does every time.
Hi.
Ibrahim, say assalamu alaikum. Jumpy. पागल हो गए हम इस क्वारंटीन में बच्चों को जंप करा के. Okay, Amna, I'm done with my under eye. If you can see, मैंने बहुत कम लगाया है because मुझे लगता है कि मेरे eye पे इतना ज़्यादा color जो है वो suit नहीं करता. So I've just like put a little bit. Is that fine?
And usually, yeah, that's perfectly fine. And usually what happens is some people like it in the corner because वो जगह जब आप corner पे लगाते हैं तो it opens up your eye. जो पूरा lid पे लगा देते हैं वो eyes को generally it just makes them look really small. So the best thing to do is if you want your eyes to look a little opened up, you apply it in the corner. If you apply it all the way, then it just makes your eyes look small.
Okay, fine. Got it.
And then
Like
just
that?
blend it out so that we have like a smudged out look, nothing too sharp.
Okay.
Okay, then
So what's our next step?
now the next step is we'll move on to the mascara, whatever one, because we're skipping lashes. It's just like a everyday makeup look, so we're not going to be applying any false lashes. Yeah.
What do you think of this?
I love this. It's amazing.
I love this, guys.
It's really good.
And it's for benefit. It's amazing, and I love it. आमना मेकअप कहाँ से मिलेगा क्वारंटीन में? मेरा मेकअप खत्म हो रहा है.
जा तो कोई है नहीं रहा, but I think यहाँ पे जिनके पास स्टॉक रखा हुआ है, there are a lot of online pages that are reliable. Yeah, that are reliable, and I've also ordered
Please
from them.
update because I'm sure that there are a lot of people who are looking for makeup, like online websites. So अपने page पे, अपने page पे जरूर बताना. And guys, please go follow Amo in the city to get all the information, all the questions that you guys have. इसके बाद आमना ही जवाब देगी. So आमना का जो inbox है ना वो भर दो.
Go for it.
Okay. So I am gonna go. Is there a particular way to put mascara?
Well, not exactly, but again, obviously, when you take out mascara, always make sure your wand is like not loaded with the product, and you just take it out like this. I generally like using इस type के wands जो होते हैं because you know उनकी application ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है and it gives like a natural curl to your lashes. So we just open your eyes and you just lift it and blink and lift. Lift the brush and just. And we just, I love putting mascara on. I always do like 3-4 layers of it because again it opens up your eyes a lot.
अच्छा आमना बार बार लगाने से ये तो नहीं होता कि आप आई मीन लाइक उसको खराब कर रहे हो या स्मज कर रहे हो कि स्मजी ना लगे?
कभी कभार you know it just becomes a little thick like वो होता है. So that's why you always basically any mascara that you use will always have a life of 6 months. So you should always keep changing your mascaras after 6 months. But the thing is कि just you know you need to have this kind of one. I know, but that's why. इसलिए, to be honest, you know what I get? I get these mini versions. They're the best.
Oh,
I actually get mini versions because they also go out really fast and they are amazing. So basically, ये करके and then instead of you know because your lashes sometimes they can stick together because बहुत ज़्यादा अगर लग brush it out.
Okay.
And don't forget your lower lid. Lower lid pe hold it like this. Amazing. So we hold it like this and we brush it.
Done.
Let's see that. Very nice.
Wow. So I'm just gonna go like little close with my eye, and would want to see everyone how they look. Yes, beta. Wow. Okay, next step.
So the next step is then now for me, I think this is it for the eyes. We're done with the eyes because we don't want to go too dramatic, and this is perfect. Now let's move on to the blush, and then, or we can do the eyebrows first. Let's finish the eyebrows first. So for the eyebrows, I like keeping them to the natural shape. I think हमेशा जिसकी जो भी होती है, because आजकल it's also, people don't really like to made up eyebrows. Like it just looks.
True.
Yeah. But again, obviously they should be filled up. If you have any gaps, if you have any dents here, or if your hair is missing anything, so you should always fill them up. The best thing to do, I use this kind of pencil. ये Benefit की है. And it's called brow pencil, and Benefit has a huge range of eyebrow pencils, so whichever one is
Benefit has like
right,
a huge range.
so you can use this and just literally fill it in wherever you feel the need that it needs to be filled up. And another thing to do is keep a mascara wand, which is again brown, or which is completely worn out. I've washed it, I've cleaned it, and I've kept like an old mascara wand, and just keep brushing them up.
Oh.
Because I'm sure you've seen now people also have like that completely, वो जो ऊपर brushed out eyebrows, and they look really nice. I feel like because people want to stick to their natural look, they don't want anything too made up. They don't want like proper वो उस तरह की eyebrows, so they
Eyebrows. Ibrahim, finish your food, Baba. Come on, food time. Okay, enough होगी ना jumping, Baba. अच्छा, I like filling it up यहाँ पे, like because मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत खाली है than the rest of it.
Yeah.
So then I like gonna brush it out.
Basically, the best thing to do is just make a line on your lower, जहाँ से start हो रही होती है आपकी eyebrows. You just make a line so that you also feel comfortable filling them out. And if you want to brush them up, you want to brush them to the side, however. Just basically, once you set a line, then that's good. And I feel like you should always go for a shade, like a brown shade, nothing too black, because black would make it too sharp. So like a brown shade.
Don't they say कि जो आपके बालों का कलर होता है उसी का आपका होना चाहिए?
Right, absolutely. But just say, for example, if you have like dark brown hair, then again brown would be a perfect shade. If you have black hair, then definitely go for like black. But dark black brown. Again, I feel like or like a dark brown color, because itni bhi thick nahi hoti eyebrows generally that you want to make them look too sharp.
आजकल तो भाई थ्रेडिंग भी नहीं हो रही, सो अब ऐसी ही बनेंगी.
No, but they're perfect.
This is it, guys.
Very nice.
Okay, now blush on.
Yes, let's move on to the blush.
Contouring.
Okay, go for it. So basically, with contouring, we're gonna first start off with whatever. If it's a powder form, or if it's a cream form, if you're using a powder form, then the first basic step, again, start from your ear till wherever you feel like wherever your cheekbone, where you feel like it's dense.
I have this brush.
Yeah, that's fine. So you start from your ye wala area, and then you just take it in. Yeah.
Take it in like
Every
this.
Every shape is different. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And that's it. You don't want to go too further, and basically the whole point is that we start from your ear, and then we go in and we feel wherever there's a dent, because like I have a round shape face, so I generally prefer it goes a little down. Har kisi ki face shape is different, right? So they don't want like you. I feel like you have a naturally contoured like face. So basically the thing is with you just need to stop it here.
Okay, fine.
Right, and if we want to contour our chin, so then we just always stick to the bone, never go down here.
Okay, fine. Nothing like here, only like your.
Yeah. So just stick to your jawline and just stay here. Don't go above your jawline, don't go below your jawline, but just stick to your jawline.
I do a little bit over here as well.
Yeah, this is just
forehead.
of
Yeah.
course. Perfect. So since it's like a basic look, we don't want too harsh of a, yeah, exactly, contour line. Perfect. So now we move on to the blush, whichever blush looks fine for you. You can, I use this shade for my everyday. It's basically MAC.
I have these shades.
So another thing, because we're matching our brown, our eyes, we've kept them a little brown. So we can go for like a peach tone of blush, or like not too pink, but not too dark again, but something more in between, like peachish type of a shade.
Okay, and how should I apply it?
So we start from our cheeks here, and then we go up. Push it up, yeah. And then we go on the other side, and then we push it up. Yeah.
So what about this tint thing? You know, like a lot of people, a lot of girls are just using tint and like they're done.
Yeah, so basically tint is also, again, because we have powdered our face, so we will obviously will stick to using powdered products, because we blush before. Tint ka hi hota hai, you apply it before powdering your face, and it's also really good. In fact, it's really nice for people who don't like too much blush and who want the thing to last for like a while. So you just put it here, yeah, and you just put it here. It also, like, it gives a nice, you know, basically a flushed out look to your cheeks, so which is amazing.
Right.
It's really good. And people also use that on their lips, because again, you don't want something too dramatic and you want to stick to something natural. So basically
we are done with the blush.
Yeah. Now let's move on a bit towards the highlighter. So generally people say that, oh, you're not supposed to highlight during, like, if you're going for a light thing, and people go all out with highlighting their cheekbones and everything. I just generally feel highlighting is, it just gives a natural glow. So it's always amazing. Right? So something, whatever highlighter you use, I have Becca highlighter, which I use mostly, yeah. So whatever highlighter you have.
I even have Becca, but I'll go with the MAC.
Yeah, go for the MAC one, because Becca is again a little strong, yeah. So we go for something, we just literally just place it here. You don't even have to go all out. Literally just place it for like a natural glow. That's it. Literally that's it, yeah. And then we place it here on the other cheek. So you can see, I'm sure, कि वो जो नहीं एक subtle सा glow आ जाता है.
Yes.
Yeah. And then I would do it here on my forehead in one corner, so that it just looks complete. A little bit on the nose, on the tip of my nose. And lips. This is your cupid here, and here, chin. So it's just like,
Acha, Anna, why just one side? Why just one side?
because Momal, basically highlighter is basically, you want to, whatever areas of your face you want to make prominent, right? So you don't want your entire forehead to just pop out, right? So you just want like a little side that इधर से glow कर रहा है, यहाँ पे हल्का सा glow कर रहा है. Otherwise, it just basically, it makes entire, then whatever you highlight, it makes it more prominent. So you don't want this nose, maybe you don't want to go all the way out, otherwise your nose will look bigger, like, you know, generally that's the thing. Here we put it so that our lip looks a little lifted. You know?
Yeah. Now I get it. So now what are we gonna do?
And maybe here under your brow, so that this area looks a little lifted. So now we will move on to our lips, lip color. So I would say that we should stick to something nude, yeah, something. What shade are you wearing?
Okay, so this is a lip pencil, but then I have a lot of nude shades. I have Morphe. I also have now.
Yeah, so let's first outline our lips. We begin, of course. Let me just also grab one. So I'll just use a brush to demonstrate it.
I also have Kind of Sexy MAC cup.
Okay, so we'll apply that on. Kind of Sexy is a perfect shade to go with this kind of look.
And I have Huda also.
Okay, so first let's just start with the outline of whatever. Let's take like a nude, yeah. So we start from here. We define this, and then let me just use this. And then we go along the shape of our lips.
Right.
Again, I don't like generally, you know how people want another line to make their lips look bigger. I just feel like they should always stick to the shape that they have.
Uh-huh. So we're just gonna go with our own.
Yeah.
Got it.
Right? And now
Yep.
we just fill it in with, if you have Kind of Sexy, let's fill it in with Kind of Sexy. I love that shade. It's a perfect shade for this kind of look.
Done.
And that's our everyday makeup look.
Woohoo!
How do you like it, Momal? Easy, right?
I love it. Guys, I mean, if you guys can see, we did this, and everything is looking natural. Acha, ye, because I think the camera mein itna nazar nahi aa raha, but there is a little powder under my eye. So how should I just blend this?
So use the same brush that we used initially, and we just wipe it off like this.
Okay.
Literally just swipe the brush out and jo bhi reh gaya, you can obviously just take it to your forehead here, so that whatever you feel like is a little oily.
Done. Amna, I love this look. Let me just open my hair. So it is amazing. So guys, as you can see,